For a very long period of time, RAA has been supporting members and South Australians stay on the road. We're now seeing more and more of a need for us to get involved in the home and in businesses. So when they come to us around their solar and battery solutions, we're actually there to provide them with trusted advice. Climate change is very real and South Australians are aware of that, but there's also energy costs that are increasing at a time when cost of living pressures are absolutely at their peak.
A lot of businesses have energy as one of their top 3 expenses. At RAA we provide a turnkey solution. As long as a client has an electricity bill, we can provide a recommendation based on the analysis of that bill, which will include the return on investment, yearly savings and our recommendation moving forward.
Going down the path of solar was easy. We saw price rises jumping from quarter to quarter to the point where we're having $10,000 bills. It's hugely exciting for us as a business. We've already seen a reduction in our energy usage by about 30%, and that 30% is now close to $19,000 a year in savings.
At Torresan Estate, Adelaide Hills, we've installed a 100 kilowatt solar system. They weren't sure what solar was going to do for them, and thankfully when we did the modelling, it was great to see that the numbers were around a 20% return on investment. With RAA's brand and the fact that we are almost 120 years old, when you're talking warranties of 25 years in length, it is really good to provide that peace of mind and that safe warranty for the business.
RAA is very passionate about supporting South Australia on a move to a sustainable future. This is the future and this is where it's all heading.